Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this video reflects my personal experience using the platform. Today, we're exploring Webull, found at Webull.com. This online brokerage platform has garnered significant attention, particularly for its mobile-first approach and accessibility for newer investors. So, what makes Webull stand out? Let's dive in and examine its key features and offerings. From its intuitive interface to its diverse range of tradable assets, Webull provides a comprehensive trading experience. New investors will appreciate the educational resources and paper trading options available to help hone their skills before venturing into live markets. More experienced traders can take advantage of advanced charting tools, technical indicators, and market data to inform their investment decisions. Webull also offers access to IPOs, initial public offerings, which can be an exciting opportunity for investors looking to get in on the ground floor of promising companies. However, it's essential to remember that IPOs carry inherent risks. While Webull caters to a broad investor base, its focus on mobile trading may not suit everyone. Those who prefer a more traditional desktop experience might find the platform's desktop version less feature-rich. Additionally, while the platform offers a good selection of research tools, some investors may find them insufficient for in-depth market analysis. Overall, Webull presents a compelling option for individuals seeking a modern, mobile-focused brokerage experience. It's important to research thoroughly and determine if Webull aligns with your specific investing needs and preferences. Consider factors such as your experience level, preferred trading style, and the types of assets you're interested in trading. By carefully evaluating these aspects, you can make an informed decision about whether Webull is the right platform for you. Remember, investing involves risks, and it's crucial to understand those risks before making any investment decisions. Be sure to check out the resources available on Webull's website and other reputable sources for more information.